push-ups are one of the most well-known exercises in the world. They require no equipment, can be done anywhere, and help build upper body strength. But there's one question that many people ask: do push-ups burn fat? Can you lose weight by doing push-ups every day? The answer isn't as simple as yes or no, because fat loss depends on multiple factors, including exercise intensity, diet, and overall lifestyle. However, push-ups can contribute to fat burning when done correctly and combined with the right approach. Before we dive deep into the truth about push-ups and weight loss, let's clear up a common misconception. Many people believe that spot reduction, or losing fat from a specific body part by training it, actually works. The reality is that you cannot target fat loss in just one area. This means that doing hundreds of push-ups won't magically melt fat off your chest or arms. Instead, fat loss happens across the entire body when you create a caloric deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. So, where do push-ups fit into the fat-burning equation? Push-ups are primarily a strength training exercise that builds muscle in the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. While they are not traditionally considered a high-calorie burning exercise like running or jumping rope, they do burn calories and help in fat loss in several ways. First, the more muscle you build, the more calories your body burns at rest. This means that over time, as you increase muscle mass through push-ups, your body will naturally burn more fat even when you're not exercising. Now, let's talk about how push-ups can be optimized for fat loss. A standard push-up may not burn a lot of calories per rep, but by making a few modifications, you can turn it into a fat-burning powerhouse. For example, performing high-intensity push-up variations like clapping push-ups, Spider-Man push-ups, or explosive push-ups increases your heart rate, making the exercise more effective for burning calories. You can also incorporate push-ups into a full-body circuit workout by combining them with burpees, jumping jacks, or mountain climbers to create a calorie-torching routine. Another factor that determines how much fat you burn is the number of push-ups you do and the intensity at which you perform them. If you casually do 10 slow push-ups and then take a long break, you won't burn much fat. But if you increase your reps, shorten your rest time, and add explosive movements, your body will enter the fat-burning zone, where it uses stored energy, fat, as fuel. This is why high-rep, high-intensity push-up workouts can be a great tool for burning fat. But let's not forget about the most important factor in fat loss: your diet. No matter how many push-ups you do, if you're eating more calories than your body burns, you won't lose fat. To see real results, you need to combine push-ups with a healthy, balanced diet that includes lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Eating the right foods will fuel your workouts, support muscle growth, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Another key aspect of weight loss is consistency. Many people do push-ups for a few days and expect instant results, but fat loss takes time. You need to stick to a regular workout routine, increase the difficulty of your exercises, and stay consistent with your nutrition. If you do this, you'll not only burn fat but also build a strong, toned upper body. So, what's the final answer? Do push-ups burn fat? The truth is that push-ups alone won't lead to significant fat loss, but they are an important part of a fat-burning routine. When combined with a caloric deficit, high-intensity training, and proper nutrition, push-ups can help you lose fat, gain muscle, and improve overall fitness. Now, here's a challenge for you. Try adding high-intensity push-up workouts to your routine for the next 30 days and see how your body changes. Let me know in the comments how many push-ups you can do in one set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness content. Now go push yourself to the next level.